Kick-ass phrases, unpacking the slang. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's popular in informal English, kick-ass. This is a phrase you might hear in movies, TV shows, or in casual conversations. But what does it actually mean, and how do you use it? Let's find out together. Kick-ass is an informal, slang phrase that is used to describe something that is extremely good or impressive. It can be applied to people, objects, events, or situations. For example, if someone is a kick-ass programmer, it means they are an exceptionally good programmer. The phrase, kick-ass, is believed to have originated in American English in the mid-20th century. It combines kick, which has a forceful, aggressive connotation, with ass, a slang term for buttocks that is often used to refer to a person in a vulgar way. Together, they create a phrase that implies forceful excellence or superiority. Let's look at some examples to see how kick-ass can be used in sentences. She gave a kick-ass performance at the concert last night, implying the performance was outstanding. He's a kick-ass graphic designer. His works are always so innovative. Implying the person is exceptionally good at graphic design. That was a kick-ass party. Implying the party was really enjoyable and exciting. Kick-ass can also be modified to fit different contexts. For example, kick-ass job, when someone has done a task exceptionally well. Kick-ass attitude, when someone has a confident and strong attitude. While kick-ass is commonly used in informal settings, it's important to note that it's not appropriate for formal or professional contexts. Additionally, because it includes the word ass, it could be considered vulgar or offensive by some people. So, it's crucial to be mindful of your audience when using this phrase. And that's a wrap on kick-ass. We hope this video has helped shed some light on this slang phrase and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Remember, language is all about expression, and slang is a big part of that in English. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep speaking and practicing your English. Cheers!